Good morning, students. Today we will study class 10th exercise 5.1 NCERT. Okay, the chapter was what? Arithmetic progression, as I had told you in the last video. Okay, students. Now we are going to study something else that is very important. Look at here very properly. Okay, what is written here? What is written here, students? What is written here? For the following APs, write the first term and the common difference. We have to write on what? The first term and common difference. Okay. And you know it. What is the first term? The first term in the first question is what? That is 3. The first term is what? That is 3. What is the common difference? How will you find out the common difference? How will you find out the common difference, student? D is equals to what? Second term minus first term. Okay. What is the second term now, you students? Tell me. What is the second term? Okay. Tell me what is the first term. Then first you tell me, sir, 3. What is the common difference? Second term minus first term. Okay. Now tell me what is the second term, student? Second term is 1. First term is what? 3. Then we will get the answer what? Minus 2. This is the common difference and this is the first term. Means the first term is what? 3 and the common difference, students, will be what? That will be only and only 2. Sorry, minus 2. Okay. Now we will go to the next question. What is written that? In here also the first term is what? You can look at here. The first term is what? Minus 5. What is the common difference? That is what? Second term minus first term. Second term minus first term. What is the second term? That is what? Minus 1. Minus as it is. What is the first term? That will be minus 5 now. That will be minus 1 plus 5. That will be only and only 4. Okay, students, I think all of you have got it. Now we will understand by the solution. Okay. In the first, this is the solution is given here. This is the series. This is the series. As you know, we are studying what? Arithmetic progression. Okay. In short, I will say only AP. Okay, students. Okay, tell me what is the first term? That is 3. That is what? That is 3. That is why it is written here. The first term is what? 3. What is the difference? You will subtract this first term by the second term. Okay, that is why 1 minus 3, that will be what? Minus 2. This is the first part of the question number 3. Okay, now students will go to the next part. What is written here? This is the arithmetic progression. What is the first term is here? That is what? Minus 5. When you have to find out common difference, you will find out second term minus first term. Second term is written here what? Minus 1 minus as it is. The first term is what? Minus 5. This minus and this minus will be what? Plus. Now 5 minus 1, that will be what? 4. That is why what? The difference is what? 4. And the first term is what? Minus 5. Okay, students? Now we will go to the third part. That is what? Okay, look at here very properly. The first term, I think all of you are getting what? 1 by 3. And what is the difference? Difference is what? Second term minus first term. What is the second term is written here? 5 by 3. What is the first term is written here? 1 by 3. Now you will get what? 4 by 3. All the students, you must have a book at the time of studying. Okay. First you pause the video, read the question, then after you look at here what is the solution of that. Okay. Then you will get more clearly. Okay. Students, now we have the fourth part. I think now you can do it also. What is the fourth part is written here? Tell me what is the first term? That is 0.6. What is the difference? That is second term minus first term. Second term is what? 1.7 minus first term is what? 0.6. When you will subtract, you will get what? 1.1. That is why it is written here. The difference is what? 1.1 and the first term is what? 0.6. Okay, students. Now that was the what? Question number 3. Now we will go to the question number 2. Now what is written here? Write the first 4 terms of the AP when the first term and the common difference are given as follows. Okay, the first term is given here what? 10 and the difference is what? 10. Okay, tell me how will you find out the second term? First term will be as it is. Difference we will add. Okay, first term is given here what? That is 10. Difference is what? 10. That is why the next term will be what? That will be 20. That is why it is written here. The difference is 10. That is why the next term will be what? 30. Next term will be what? 40. Next term will be what? 50. How will you get it completely? The first term is given here what 10. The difference is given here what 10. This is the first term. Okay. Now the second term will be what? The first term plus difference, that will be what? 10 plus 10, that will be what? 20. Okay. When you have to find out the third term means what? Second term plus difference. Second terms you have find it out what? 20. Difference is what? 10. Then the sum will be what? 30. Okay. If you have to find out the fourth term, if you have to find out what? Fourth term will be what? Third term plus difference. Third term was what, student? That is 30 plus 10. That will be what? 40. As it is, the fifth term will be what? 50. You will add what? 10 from the fourth in the fourth term. Okay. Now that is the second term. I think that also you will do it very clearly and completely. Okay. All the questions are very simple. Okay, you have to learn it. That's it only. That the second term is what? First term plus difference. Third term is what? Second term plus difference. Fourth term is what? Third term plus difference. Okay. Fifth term is what? That is fourth term plus difference. Okay, students. To apply this, you will find out the remaining all the terms, how much the question is asking to you. Okay, students. Now we will study. Now we will first read the question number 1. What is written here? Look at here. The question 1 is written here. In which of the following situations does the list of numbers involved make as arithmetic progression and why? First, you will have knowledge about the arithmetic progression. I told you if the difference is same, then that progression is what? Arithmetic progression. That sequence is what? Arithmetic. Okay. Now first question is written here what? The taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is what? Is 15 rupees for the first kilometer and 8 for the each additional kilometer. Means what? For first kilometer you will have to pay what? 15 rupees. For the 2 kilometers you will have to pay what? For first kilometer 15 and for the additional kilometers you will have to pay 8 rupees. Okay. Then that will be what? There will be 23. Okay, means for the 2 kilometers you will have to pay 23 rupees. For 3 kilometers you will have to pay what? 8 rupees. More also, then you will have to pay what? 31 rupees. Then after what? 39 rupees. Now you can check the difference is same. Why? What is the difference? That is 8. That is 8 always. Okay, that is why this given progression is what? AP. Okay, are you getting why? Because we have to add 8 to get the next term. Okay, if we have to go 1 more kilometer, we will have to give only 8 rupees more. That is why this progression is what? Arithmetic progression, students. Okay. Now we will study the next question that is written here. The amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. Suppose that now the volume of the cylinder is what? V. Now, what was the question saying? The amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining of the cylinder at a time. Means if there is a V volume of the air, then V/4 part will be what? Removed. Then what will be left? V minus V/4. That will be what, students? That will be 3V/4. Now what will happen? Now 1/4 part of this also will be removed. Means what? 3V/4 whole upon 4. Means that will be what? 3V upon 4 for the what? 16. When you will subtract 3V/16 from 3V/4, again you will get what, student? 3V/4 is 2 whole square. Okay. Next time you will get what? 3V upon 4 is 2 whole cube. Means here you can find out the difference will not equal. Here the difference is what? 3V/4. Here the difference is what? Okay, students, that is why here the difference is not same. That is why the given series is not an AP. Okay, are you getting? Okay. Now you can look at from here also. Okay. In the first time there was volume of air, that is what? V. Next time 3V/4. Next time 3V/4 is 2 whole square. Next 3V/4 is 2 whole cube, and so on. Means here the difference when you will find it out, that will not be equal. That is why the given situation is not arithmetic progression. Okay, students. Now I have told you how many parts I have told you. I have told you 2 parts, and the next 2 parts you will do by yourself. If there will be any doubt, then please ask. Okay, students. Thank you.